much time do you spend every single day reopening your tabs that you need every single day? Here's one of the best productivity hacks Google offers with Chrome. With your bookmarks, well, you see all my folders up here, and simply to create a new folder, you right click. On the Mac, you do 2 fingers, you can add a folder. And once you add a folder, you want to start putting things in it. So once you bookmark a page, you can take it and drag it to any folder. And once you have a folder, you can open up all the tabs at once. So let me show you. The first of every month, when I'm getting ready to meet with my accountant, I can go to finance. I've got 9 different websites that we look at together. So you can open all 9, and there they are. This will save you a ton of time. Use your bookmarks. Like and follow for more productivity tips.